Going on, everybody? Today we are filming a highlight event here at Banneker High School in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm going to be trying to attempt to get the drone up, attempt to get some great footage of the different sessions that are happening inside the building with the students, and also along with the faculty and the staff that's actually running this program. This program is being ran by an organization that really is near and dear to my heart because, again, they do a ton for kids. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I set up, how I get my interviews, how I roam and get some different shots and such. We're here, I'm about to unload the car, head inside the building, and pretty much go from there. So I'll check you in a minute. Okay, since I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and get this drone up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just set this up. Hopefully this time I do not do what I did last time and completely crack my gimbal cover, and that didn't happen, so that's a good thing. It should be relatively easy, being that it's a fairly clear day. Well, not clear day, I should take that back. It's not a clear day. It is a fairly calm day when it comes down to the wind, because there's actually no wind right now. Just make sure that you're starting the video really before you take off. So, and I'm saying that from experience. Anyway, I'm all good to go. They do say that there is a aircraft in the zone. I'm not too worried about that. I'm actually gonna go in the front, take this off. Am I already recording? Yes, I'm already running. I don't want to land on the building. Clearly I don't. I would totally land it in the, into the trunk, but that makes no sense. All right, there we go. All right, we're all good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up and get inside the building. So basically what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and set up for the presentation. I'm just gonna go ahead and load all my stuff, which I normally do, but what I wanna get is a wide shot of the entire panel from back here. Again, I'm gonna set up my camera now, just have it running. I just like to get the static shot set up because this is gonna be important. So when sound gets in, I can just figure out if I can tap in with audio from there, which I'll need for the final edit. So I'm gonna actually set this up a little bit closer to the wall this time. So I'm gonna take this other tripod out. I may not use it, but ideally what's gonna happen is I'm gonna have my Ronin, which I'll be walking around with to get different reaction shots. For the most part, back here will just be my wide and my Ronin. I'll just make sure to get some pickup shots from each side so I can cut into the final edit for different reactions, as well as closer up on the speakers, because that's important. Only thing I'm doing now is I'm loading my Pelican and I'm going from there. So what I always tend to do is pre-set up my equipment. All right, so right now I'm just going room to room and just getting all the BTS, or like behind the scenes of all the different classes that's taking place, and being very quiet because they are actually learning really something good. So again, I'm just getting all my B-roll so I can put that together later.
Muscles that are deep that you have not used in a long time. Stretch, drink some water. Yeah. You're welcome. Come on up, lady. Pull just a little. Good. So I just want.
Each one of them make somebody say, hey, this is pretty good. I already decided that I went to be a dentist when I was 8 years old. Back in undergrad, when
you before you start. As usual, I mean, I really appreciate you. I think
Oh, this is good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it nice and easy. I'm just gonna ask you just to slip it right in on the side of your shirt, right here, right at the side. So the blue is gonna be facing towards your skin on the inside, yeah. Yep.
So like right there?
Yep. So here we go. So I'm gonna count you down on a count of 3. Again, you're just looking directly at the camera for me. And what you're really just saying is, again, the importance of you being here and the reason why you are here today, okay? All right, so this is take 1, countdown, and 3, 2, 1.
Yes. So my name is Prudence Franklin, P-R-U-D-E. And you know, Dominique and I were talking to the kids about leaving money on the table. We My name is Prudence Franklin. I'm an engineer and I work at Microsoft currently. Being with our young people, talking with them is absolutely essential. We need this kind of event.
There we go. All right, so I'm gonna back you up. It's about right here. We're gonna get the Banneker in the bag. I'm gonna get a little bit closer because I wasn't too sure. All right, come on up a little bit more. All right, perfect. I mean, I know it would be great for you to look this way. Yeah. I know you're used to it, so that's what, if you could look that way. So you're just gonna go for your experience today and the importance of you actually being here. Okay, all right. I love it. So countdown in 3, 2, 1.
Hey, I'm Christopher Moore. I'm the video director at the Georgia Tech Research Institute. I just had a great time here. It's so important for us to participate in events like this to help inspire the future leaders, the future business people, future engineers, really make a difference in the community.
Dude, I love it, man, because I know you usually say like, all right, one more time, take it from the top. I love it. Sorry, man. He was looking, he was like, can I walk? Dude, that was perfect. The pauses and everything, because you know, that's why. Usually I'm like asking, all right, like, can you tell me anything that you learned today? Oh, I'm like, come on, bro, you were here the whole day, man. No, that was good.
So our kids are now starting to pull up for our amazing day, so stay tuned for this footage. So for CTC's annual career and Greek panel, we are having it at one of our very own Banneker High School this year. We have information for entrepreneurship. We have information for healthcare field. We have information for counseling. So that's just some of the things that we have for our students today.
My name is Prudence Franklin. I'm an engineer and I work at Microsoft currently. Being with our young people, talking with them is absolutely essential. We need this kind of event.
Today we had CTC Career Day and it was amazing. We had amazing candidates and so many good conversations. I personally enjoyed counseling and entrepreneurship, and it was very passionate and very encouraging. Also our Greek panel, which was very informational and very, very fun. I would definitely do this Career Day again.
My name is Devon Lee. I really appreciate what CTC did for us today. And if you're a student that go to Banneker High School or Griffin High School, come down and try to get into the program because it can really help you a lot. Get better than your peers and more smarter and better educated. And yeah, so what are y'all doing not in CTC? Join up.
My question is, like, which fraternity is better, like, to join?
But the reality is, no matter what these colors are, signs, signals, all of that, this is all brotherhood and sisterhood at the end of the day, okay?
All right, y'all, and there you have it. I am all done with shooting my event today. It was just about a 6-hour day. We did, break out clearly for lunch, which was a great thing. You saw me filming the food, and it was really good. It was put from a place out here called This Is It Barbecue. Really good. Definitely try it out if you're in the Atlanta area or wherever they're located. But again, I was able to show you guys what I set up with, show you guys a little bit behind the scenes as far as me doing interviews and how I set the interviews up and the gear that I use. I would say exactly what I gave to the participants was the Hollyland wireless mic. And I really love this mic. I do have the Rhodes as well, but the Hollylands are just really easy. The case charges it. You just take it off, you slip it into a pocket or into their shirt collar, and it gives you some really great sound. I also showed you guys, how to shoot some of the scenes that were inside the classrooms, kind of like mash the footage together for those scenes. Again, I love the fact when it comes together for the editing process, just to show you all the behind the scenes and see what you guys are seeing versus what the camera is seeing versus what the edit looks like. So hopefully this was helpful. If you guys have any comments about this, please leave them below in the comment. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video, and also just click please share this video with another videographer or photographer up and coming that just needs to know a couple of things. Or if you have any comments for me, just let me know in the comments and I'll definitely do my best, because I always try to do my best to answer all of the comments out there. Again, my name is Jay with J.August Media. I'm an entrepreneur here in the Atlanta area and owner of J.August Media, where we shoot events, corporate headshots. We do different corporate gigs as well as weddings, and honestly everything in between photo and video. So again, had a great time. Definitely appreciate you guys' time, and you guys take it easy because my phone is going off. Until next one.